Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing you guys a different style today. Y'all know I constantly do crochet braid reviews, but I'm so excited to be wearing these clip-ins today. So thank you so much to Amazing Beauty Hair for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, the clip-ins, I mean, if I didn't say it was clip-ins, you might not know. Okay, so let's just go ahead and just jump right into the tutorial. so that was me just unboxing the hair, dyeing it, and installing it. So you guys saw for the coloring part, I used this. I think I showed you guys, but I'm not sure exactly. So this is just a box color I got from Walmart, the Revlon Color Silk. I've used this in the past on my natural hair. So since I was gonna put a rinse, or well, this is permanent, but you know, permanent, on my natural hair, I figured I would go ahead and do the same thing for the clip-in. So honestly, I did not do that great of a job. Definitely take the like tie apart when you're dyeing these, so you can get really close to the weft part up here, so that you can make sure everything really blends and it's all one color. I don't think it looks too bad the way like my leave out is on top, but I definitely could have done a better job. So just take it from me and make sure that you cut the little gold things off when you get the clip-ins, and you know, dye it so that everything is fully black. But other than that, I love the hair, you guys. I love the hair. So let's just talk about the specs. So these are the Kinky Straight clip-ins. I believe these are 20 or 22 inches. I cut it just a little bit so that the ends would be just nice and full. But let me show you guys how it looks. This is how long. So even with me cutting it, you guys can see that it's still pretty long. I only cut like maybe an inch at the bottom, just a little bit. And then I did kind of bump the ends just a little bit, just to give it a little something. But I think it came out super cute. And you guys see, I was holding this one up. I think, yes, this is the only little piece I have left. This is a 2. Well, it was actually a 3, but I cut it so I could have a little single one to just slip in somewhere. But this is all I have left. I could definitely go ahead and just clip this in the back, but maybe at some point, but not right now. So I did use all 2 bundles that were sent. So that will definitely be enough. And you guys can see how it looks nice and full. It's not heavy or anything like that, which is amazing. So let's just go ahead and discuss the braiding pattern. So you guys saw that I basically have leave out in the center, on the sides, and then you guys probably didn't really get to see that I have leave out in the back as well, but it's braided up. So this braid in the back, which is kind of like my anchor braid, is separate. It's not braided into the rest of my hair up here. So I can actually unbraid it, flat iron it, so that I can put my hair in updos like buns, ponytails, and all of that. I can definitely still do like a half up, half down style with this by the fact that all of my perimeter is out here. When I like pull it up, by the time I like have the top part, you know, hanging down, and I can have the wefts, and I can actually flip them over so like it folds back, if you guys like know what I'm talking about, and then have it flow down. So I can do several styles with this braiding pattern, which is amazing. I absolutely love that. It's not worth it to me to flat iron all of my natural hair and have that in between my clip-ins. There's honestly no reason for that. The clip-ins are very thick and my hair is also very thick, so it's like, do I really need double thickness? Like, not really, you know? So I just felt like this would be perfect and a great way for me to preserve the majority of my hair. So I basically washed it and did my whole wash day routine. If you guys want to see that, I will have it either linked in the cards or in the description box down below. I just recently did a whole wash routine, so you guys can check that out. But I basically did all of that, blow dried it, and then braided it up, and then I only flat ironed just this and this. So I felt like that was a great way to preserve my hair. I used my Tresemme heat protectant when I blow dried, and then I split a little bit on before I flat ironed as well. I used some of this Living Proof nourishing serum, but honestly, after I put this on, I felt like it may have reverted my hair a little bit. So I'm not going to be using this anymore. I actually went ahead after that and put on some of my just regular oil that I use when my hair is curly, and I feel like that helps a lot, which is just a mixture of like olive oil and like a few other things in there, maybe like 5 or so different oils. But I use that same one that I use on my curly hair on my leave out, and I feel like that really helped. You guys saw I only did 1 pass of the flat iron on my hair intentionally. I may go back and do a second pass at some point when I'm actually like going out and doing something, but as of right now, I feel like the 1 pass was good. And you guys did see I did the hot comb just on my edges to help to get really close up to the root and get those like nice and flat. And of course I just used my regular oh my gosh, what is the name of my edge control? the Style Factor edge control, just for my little baby hairs in the front. And so I'm thinking, for sleeping purposes, I do not want to take the clip-ins out. Like, I really want to act like this is my own, you know? So I think I'm gonna either try to wrap it or do a pin curl, some kind of something, but I definitely want to make sure I'm able to like really preserve my leave out so that I don't have to continue to apply heat. Now, of course, these are kinky straight clip-ins, but still, you, of course, for like blending purposes, your hair is gonna look much better if it's not frizzy. So I'm hoping to be able to keep it, you know, like nice and flat so that it really blends in with these clip-ins, because I don't have any plans on taking these out. Like, these are so cute, and I'm sorry if I keep touching them, but you guys, they are so soft. Y'all can see how my fingers are just gliding right through. They came so soft, they smelled great. Like, the length is perfect. I love the texture. I really have no complaints, you guys. I really have no complaints about these clip-ins. So let me know what you guys, oh, I didn't give y'all a, let's say, let me know what y'all think, but I didn't even show y'all the whole thing. So let me show y'all how the side looks. So yes, this is basically how it looks completely. I really love it. I really love it. So definitely let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Of course, everything is going to be linked for you in the description box. The link to the clip-ins, the exact name and exact length will be down there for sure. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen as well. But I want to say it's like 22 inches or something like that for the length of these. But I love them so much. So thank you so much to Amazing Beauty Hair once again for sponsoring today's video. You guys definitely be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on your post notifications. Y'all know the drill, okay? And definitely be sure to keep up with 12 Days of Christmas. I posted tons of videos last week and this week, so y'all check the playlist down below for everything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.